By 2025, AI isn't just for tech experts, it's for you. Discover how women are earning from home with AI tools. This video could change your life. Don't miss out. Welcome to How to with AI, your guide to earning smarter, not harder. In this video, we'll reveal how women can unlock life-changing opportunities with AI, all from the comfort of home. In 2025, AI will touch every part of how we work. For women juggling family, careers, or side hustles, it's a game changer. AI isn't replacing us, it's empowering us to achieve more with less effort. Jasper.ai can write anything, emails, blogs, product descriptions, in minutes. Perfect for freelancing or building your online brand. Canva now has AI features that let you create stunning designs effortlessly. It's a must-have for Etsy sellers or social media managers. Starting an online store. AI can help you find winning products, write descriptions, and even handle customer service. Create professional voiceovers without a studio. Murph.ai is perfect for YouTube creators or course creators. Getting started is easier than you think. Most tools offer free trials so you can explore without spending a penny. But wait! What if you have no idea where to start or how to use these AI tools to actually make money? Don't worry, I've been there too. When I started, I didn't know anything about AI tools, but now I've learned the ropes, and I'm here to make it simple for you. This isn't just a one-off video. I'm turning this into a series, step by step. With a realistic approach, I'll guide you through building your income streams, all from the comfort of your home. So, here's what you need to do. Hit that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. That way, you'll be the first to know when the next video drops. And hey, let me know in the comments. Have you ever used an AI tool before? If yes, which one? I'd love to hear your experiences.